Welcome to VFD Explained, a simple guide on how variable frequency drives control industrial motors. This video will explore the technology and impact of VFDs. VFDs play a crucial role in modern industry by managing motor performance. They offer enhanced efficiency, precise control, and extended lifespan for industrial equipment. A variable frequency drive, or VFD, is an electronic device that controls the speed and torque of an AC induction motor. It adjusts electrical frequency and voltage, replaces fixed-speed mechanical valves, and reduces peak energy consumption. Internally, the VFD has three stages. The rectifier converts AC power to unregulated DC. The DC bus filters this signal, creating a stable voltage reservoir. Finally, the inverter uses IGBT switches to turn DC back into simulated AC pulses at a precise variable frequency. The affinity laws show that the power required by a pump or fan is proportional to the cube of its speed. Small reductions in speed, for example, 50%, led to massive energy savings, needing only 12.5% power. Motor speed is managed by controlling the electricity frequency. The formula N equals 120 times F divided by P shows the relationship, where N is speed in RPM, F is frequency, and P is the number of motor poles. Breaking down the components, the input section with diodes converts AC to DC. The intermediate section uses capacitors for DC filtering and smoothing. The output section uses IGBT transistors for pulse width modulation. The brain is the DSP controller, managing frequency. Compared to a DOL starter or a soft starter, VFD control provides a 100% smooth startup. VFDs eliminate high current spikes during startup, protecting the power grid and the motor. The efficiency impact is significant. In many applications, a 20% motor speed reduction can lead to nearly 50% energy savings. These massive cost reductions mean VFDs often pay for themselves quickly. VFDs are essential in many industrial applications. They enable precise flow control in pumping systems, silent operation and optimized air control in HVAC fans, and variable speed synchronization for production line conveyors. Operational advantages include extended life through soft starts, process precision by fine-tuning speed, and improved grid stability. Other benefits are simplified control, reversibility, and built-in protection.